Good morning. We're on lesson 41 today, page 284. And we're working with plugging values into formulas. So you should recognize this is the area of a rectangle, which you might also know as base times height. Either one works, doesn't matter. So it says find A in this formula when L is equal to 8 and W is equal to 4 feet. So we simply plug them in, and remember when letters are written next to each other like this, it means they're being multiplied. So this is 8 times 4, so A would be 32, and then you go back and look and it said the units were feet, so this would be feet squared. Remember, any kind of area has square units. All right, on the next page, it says evaluate 2 parentheses L plus W when L is equal to 8 centimeters and W is equal to 4 centimeters. So we're going to replace the L with 8, replace the W with 4, and we have order of operations here, so we simplify in the parentheses first, so 8 plus 4 is 12. And now we multiply, 2 times 12 is 24. Now, this is not area, this is perimeter. So the units stay as centimeters, not centimeters squared. There's no place that length is multiplied times width, it's added. That's an indication that this is perimeter. Okay, so now if we have something that looks like perimeter equals 2 times length plus width, which is what we just worked with, we can use the distributive property. And distributive property just means that whatever is outside the parentheses has to be multiplied times everything that's in the parentheses. So this formula becomes 2 times L is 2L. 2 times plus W is 2W. Okay, so it says in the next example to use the 2 perimeter formulas to find the perimeter of this rectangle. Okay, so one is this, and the other one is what we got when we distributed. This is equal to P, or P is equal to 2L plus 2W. So it wants us to use both of them, and it tells us that, it shows us that the length is 30 inches and the width is 20 inches. So I come over here, 2 times 30 plus 20. So that's 2 times 50. So that's 100. And the units are inches, so that's 100 inches is the perimeter. Now we'll go over here and do the same thing. So the perimeter will be equal to 2 times 30 plus 2 times 20. So that's 60 plus 40. So that gives us the same thing. P is equal to 100 inches. So they're just trying to show you that either way, you're going to get the same answer. Okay, next one. Show 2 ways to simplify this expression. So we have 6 times 20 plus 5. I'll just write it twice because we know we're going to be doing it 2 ways. So here, let's just use order of operations. So this becomes 25, and it's multiplied times 6. So 6 times 25 is 150. And over here, this would be 6 times 20 is 120, plus 6 times 5 is 30. So 120 plus 30 is 150. So we showed 2 different ways to work the problem, one using distributive property and one using order of operations. Get the same answer if you're doing it correctly either way. All right, you guys have a good day. I'll see you tomorrow.